Hey kids, and welcome to day 11 of a very Windows Christmas. So for day 11, we are going to be installing Windows NT 5.0 build 1877, which is a beta 2 build of Windows NT 5.0, which became Windows 2000. So as you can see, I have my trusty DOS.vhd here, and we're going to start the setup from here. Here it is, 1877, CD is in the drive, WinNT/B. There we go. MS-DOS-based portion of setup is complete. Alright, let's restart. Alright, enter. We continue. We're going to leave the current file system intact. Alright, welcome to the Windows NT 5.0 Setup Wizard. Alright, regional settings, you just click next. We can call this build 1877. Oh yeah, this wasn't in the final setup. Desktop area and colors. True color. Yes. Next. Networking. Now, as you've seen from day 10, we actually do have a network card in here now. So, that's cool. Typical work group. There you go. Think we should be on our way again. Alright, completing the Windows NT 5.0 Setup Wizard. Let's finish. Alright, let's log in. Windows NT 5.0, what's new? Well, let's just get out of here. And yeah. So what version of Internet Explorer we got on this? Alright, looks like we got 5.0, which is a beta version. Free cell, got Minesweeper. Let's play Minesweeper first, because it's always a tradition to play Minesweeper. Ooh. Oh. Oh well. Looks like we're gonna have to go to pinball now. Yeah, my epic gummy pla. Cool. Oh look, I got this high score. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's pretty much about it. So you know what? I think I'm going to end it right here. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!